Guys, welcome back to another video on Bloons TD 6. So, uh, some people have been asking me for requests, and many people have been having me difficulties on how to get a vengeful temper and a vengeful Adora. Maybe next time I do a Bloons TD 6 video. Might be going late game with Adora, so I can show you guys how to get the Vengeful Adora and the Vengeful Sun God Temple. But for now, I am just gonna show you guys in a challenge which I will create. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I wanted to show you guys because many people are having trouble on how to do it. So yeah, as a challenge I've shared. If you guys wanna do it, you can do it. So yeah, oh no, guys, sorry, I accidentally clicked on the wrong thing. Well, my challenge, I accidentally clicked. Sorry about that. Uh, I'm gonna wait for load because it takes a while to load. So yeah, this was my challenge and all. I actually could do it on this channel, but I don't think there's enough space for a vengeful. So yeah. I'm just gonna show you, but just saying you cannot do this on sandbox mode. You can't do it on sandbox mode. So yeah, I am actually going to delete this challenge because I want to show you guys how to do it. So you can do it on any map, but that needs to be quite a bit of space. Like example, you can do it on Candy Falls. You can do it on quite a few maps. So yeah, I want to show you guys how to do it. I'm just going to reset everything except the place. You can do it in pretty much every place. I'll show you guys in Cubium because I like that place. It's classic. So yeah, and we don't need anything, but we need monkey knowledge. Just saying, I forgot to say to you guys, if you want to get the vengeful, first and most important thing is that you need this monkey knowledge. It is in it's in monkey knowledge, which you will get unlocked by level 30, and it's third one, magic. It's in magic, and it's the fourth one down. Now this is kind of expensive, but for how good it is in late game, pretty good. So yeah, but that is the thing, you cannot do it in sandbox, so please don't try this in sandbox. It will not work. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna edit my challenge, and yeah, let me show you guys. Edit challenge. Let me just make sure everything's there. Bap bap bap. Start round default. Starting money is 9,910. Because you need a lot of money. I can't tell accurately how much money you need, but you need a lot of money to do this. So you gotta farm hard if you are going to go late game and get a vengeful Adora and a vengeful Sun God Temple. So now yeah, let me show you. I might release this, so if you guys want to, you guys can just try doing it, because I'm pretty sure you can do it on challenges, because I've done it on challenges. I've seen other people do it on challenges. So yeah, how do you do it? I did it on medium because that does not matter. Your game mode does not matter. Preferably easy. But now how to do it? Firstly, you need a sun avatar. Super range, epic range. Actually, you only need two, but I like to go for everything. Like 50,000. Actually, so yeah, mainly, I first put Adora in its radius. Because when you're actually playing, you need to put Adora in the Vengeful Sun God radius. So now, you usually would not like super range or epic range, but I'm doing that because I want to show you guys. And then you need $50,000 in each path: primary, military, support, primary, military, magic, and support. So yeah, what I just do is I just go for a Kylie boomerang, because I usually only go late, and it's not that much. It's only 60,000. So I usually just get a Kylie boomerang, which is a really good way to do it. At least that's what I think. Then secondly, I just get a mad. There is more than enough. There is a 10,000 more. It's like I'm trying to get it exactly right for some. And for this, I also just use the Wizard Lord Phoenix. Cause yeah, you can see that. I sometimes go cross paths, but you guys do. It's not needed to go for cross paths, and I'm pretty sure you only need two or three. It's best to go for three. You don't need to go for two, because it's ideally you don't want to go for two. But I like to go for like support as well, because if you go for support, you will be able to get money. So if it can produce money, it'll help to getting to the vengeful sun god temple. So yeah, that is one way to do it. And Banana Central is a bit too much of stress because it's very expensive. Best in Monkey Wall Street, which I could find. So I really don't know that late game. So yeah, just to show you guys how to do it more exactly, I'm just gonna get Monkey Wall Street. Even though it isn't, it is. That's what I think. It's not the best T5. It's not the worst either, but it's not the best T5. For how much you're paying, it's not that good. Okay, so now you have 50,000 in everything. Now you need to start the temple sacrifice. So if you guys don't know, the temple does not sacrifice the heroes. So don't worry, to have a temple. So now, just saying, now in your last sacrifice, your Adora should be at level 20. Now, this is the most important part. How do you get the vengeful sun god? Okay, so now, like what we did last time, we need $50,000. So now this won't be enough. So now we need $50,000 in each of the what are they called? Each of the paths. So yeah, that's why many people don't like getting support, because it will decrease your cash a lot of the towers. So it doesn't matter if this was 50,000, and if it's in Sun God Temple effect, that does not matter. It needs to be 50,000 in total. So yeah, you guys might mess up that and not get it. So just to make sure that for you guys, so normally I just get the Rave Doom, but that is like way too much of a trash. But when I manage it, I just get the Rave Doom, and then I don't know if you can like put another Super Monkey, which is a Dark Champion with Legends of Nike. I don't know if that bugs out or anything, so I don't do it. I just usually go for the Super Storm. Even though it's pretty expensive, I always go for Super Storm. So yeah, after you get $50,000 in that and that, again you need $50,000 in support. There's our Ranger, Yapirel Ranger. That's why I like to get super in Attack Grand. But not in actual games, but when I'm showing you guys things. And then you need like in a place where it cannot be in the radius. If you want to get the Vengeful Sun God Temple, it cannot be in the radius. You need two little super monkeys. Two little guys. Right here. Out of the radius of the true sun god. They cannot be in radius. Now you don't need any cross paths, but I'm gonna do it because I'm weird. Actually, just for if you wanna know, at least I think this is the best cross path for both of them. Now if they are out of range, now to finally get the true sun, the vengeful sun god. Actually, I'm a bit afraid because if you guys mess everything up, it's pretty tough to get him back. So yeah, you get it. Yeah. And now it's definitely in range. Let me show you. Now if I get the true sun god, I should get the vengeful sun god temple. Let's do this. So yeah, now of course it sacrifices everything. Yup, we're getting the vengeful. When that happens, you definitely get the vengeful. So now, as you can see, it's the true sun god temple, and it's absorbing both the other towers. Now it's the vengeful sun god temple. So you might see, like Adora looks a bit different, doesn't she? So now you can already see how much buffed her range is. So if I wanted to do this again, I'd have to restart and do it. So I can't compare it with a normal level 20 Adora. And now look at it, 0-0 Dart Monkey. That's the range. Now this by itself looks pretty cool, right? Okay, let me show you this. Oh wow, I'm such a small round. I'm a bot. Well, yeah. So guys, I want to show you how strong this is. So I am just going to edit my challenge and put the starting around around a million. Cause I really want to show you guys how strong it is. Like it's really good at late game. For how expensive it is, it's pretty strong. For how expensive it is, like it is the strongest tower in the game until now. I don't know what's gonna happen when the new T6 towers or the Paragon towers are going to come out. So yeah, you need monkey knowledge and double cash mode is not needed. The start round we'll just put it on like 999. But I already beat up to 152, so I can't do that. This can actually solo 152. I was just too bored and I just stopped. Let me show you guys. It can actually solo 152 on hard mode. I'm pretty sure because it wrecked it when I was playing on easy mode. So yeah, 152 hard mode. Let me show it to you guys. It is so strong. Just if you guys need to know again, just making sure you guys know because many people are having trouble with this. How you get it? I'll show it once more. I won't be telling anything because I actually want to show it how powerful it is. So yeah, let me show you. So yeah. Yeah, guys, sorry, it's just one thing. I'll come down. Give me a minute. And and then we need you guys don't have to do this. It's just how I do it because I'm a weirdo. It needs to be the radius. Yeah. And then Sun Temple. Out of the radius. And then we of course start up to level 20. You guys don't have to do this in this order. You guys just need to do it. Whatever I'm doing, but like in kind of you get it right. Hopefully you guys get it. And then next we need of course then we need the Darkling gun. Of course, the Darkling gun actually is pretty new. I was pretty hype when the Darkling gun came out. It was pretty good. I'm pretty sure many people are hype as well. Pretty hype. From what I've seen. Everyone was very hype. Then, yeah. Then, yeah, we need support. So after that we need sorry for the interruption. I'm sorry, I don't want to happen again. Yeah, so then if we do the true son of God, this should turn into the vengeful again. Yeah, it turned into the vengeful. If that glow thing happens on Adora, right, she'll become like this. It looks kind of weird. I don't know why. I don't know why she becomes like that for a sec. I'm pretty sure normal level 20 Adora isn't that strong. So yeah, we have vengeful Adora. Now let me show you how strong she is. Now she's a really cool artwork now. Just look. 152. It's absolutely wrecked. Okay, it is insane. And now let me show you her moves. She gets a global range. Literally global range. Literally global range. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. And she gets global range. That's not it. She also gets this. Okay, oh my gosh, I don't have a village. I don't have a village. I don't have a village. Just saying this. They never get camo. They never get camo. They never get camo. Yeah, I lost. I think I lost because I don't have camo. That's the one thing. That's the one problem with Super Monkeys. They never get camo. Now look at this absolutely wreck this round. Like I didn't have like any tower. I was just soloing with this to actually beat this round. Like honestly, I was pretty impressed. I only had like this and like a few buffs. I actually destroyed it. Honestly, it's pretty strong. Like, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me try overclocking this dude. I don't have ultra boost yet. Let me try overclocking this dude. Let me try overclocking this dude with what all buffs can I give him? Yeah, I'm gonna give him a permanent bro. I'm gonna give this dude a permanent bro. Perma bro. How strong can he be? How strong can he be? So yeah, you can see that we didn't even need permanent bro. It just destroyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that's how to get the vents for. It's pretty pog. It's really strong. You guys should also check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna share this challenge just so if you want to know, you guys can just find it. That's the code. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice peace out and have a nice day.